What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yep, it's Mahlon, Tane, and today we are under a Chrysler 300, and we'll be replacing this crankshaft position sensor. This is the crankshaft position sensor, everyone. So, yep, stay tuned. And with all that being said, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, we hope you're being safe and patient. Alright, let's go. Alright, everybody. So, this is the crankshaft position sensor for your Chrysler 300. This is a touring, so it has a 3.5 liter, and we are actually under the passenger side vehicle. We do have the vehicle lifted or jacked up in the air. If you don't know exactly where we are, it's this is the transmission, and this is the engine. So in between your, I guess you could say, your bell housing, you know. Anyway, let's go on ahead and take care of this. It's pretty simple. You have this one bolt right here, right there. This is a 10 mil, so just get your deep socket 10 mil and it should come on out. Okay, gotta get it on there like so. Give it a little turn, righty lefty. Oh, what is it? Righty tighty. There you go, righty tighty. Lefty loosey. So you gotta go left. If this is your first time doing something like this, you know, make sure if you're using a jack to block your rear wheels, and make sure your emergency brakes are applied. There we go. And use jack stands. You know, that's all part of your safety, y'all. Stop trying to get right up underneath the vehicle and trying to rush things. Don't rush things. That's for sure. Kinda. There we go. Alright, before we completely pull it out, I shoulda removed the pigtail, but you know, you can remove the pigtail and all that after you pull the sensor out, like so. Okay. Some of them might have a locking tab, a little red tab going through. This one doesn't, so that's a good thing for us. You just press this tab down right here and wiggle it out. And there you go. Let's get the brand new one. Alright, let's see what we got here. Today we are, let me show y'all this right quick. Alright everybody, so you see this is the old crankshaft position sensor. This is the part number for the new one that we're using. It is from your, parts store. So that's the brand. We're not sponsored, but yep, let's match it up. Let's bust this open. Make sure they look pretty similar. Okay. On the camera, this looks a little bit larger, but I believe it's pretty much the same as far as the pins and everything else. You have a 3-pin and you have a 3-pin on this one. Let's put this on. We're not gonna need that no more. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get this crankshaft position sensor on here. You'll just snap it on there, and for those that's wondering, does it come with a rubber seal? It doesn't. The old one did not come with it as well. So you just slide it into its position. And now, after I hand that to my other hand, we'll just get this bolt started on here, and we should be pretty good, y'all. Y'all kind of like in the way here, so I'm having to fidget with the hole. All right. There we go. Got that on. Let's go screw it in with our socket. Go ahead and be careful. Turkey, move the camera real fast. That's what's up. You got to have great reflexes to do this kind of work, y'all. You do not want the ratchet and the socket to hit you upside your head or on your face. And you don't have to go gorilla with this. Just snug it down and you're done. That's how we install a brand new crank sensor on this Chrysler 300 Touring. And with all that being said, folks, remember, you can fix it too. Peace.